If you want to take a macro photo on POCO F8 Pro, then we actually have two main ways that allow you to do so. For example, you can use the dedicated super macro mode, which is available, for example, in the photo mode. However, as you can see, we need to keep our phone 50 centimeters away or more from the subject in order to actually try to take a photo, which seems to be quite silly because, of course, we need to actually keep the phone really far back. And I'm not sure about the quality of the photo and if it is actually a macro photo. It might be inconvenient to use. So instead of doing that, what you can do is you can simply disable the super macro mode, and then using the zoom, a little bit of a zoom and the distance, we can actually capture a pretty decent photo as well. So right now I am just keeping slight distance between the camera and the subject, in order to make sure that the focus is still there. And if I zoom in, of course, I should be able to capture a pretty good photo like that. Of course, you don't want to use too much zoom because the more zoom you use, the worse the quality of the photo will be. But as you can see, we can capture a pretty decent photo like that as well, and the quality is not so bad after all. So this might be a better solution in most of the situations. But if needed, of course, we still have the super macro mode. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.